So welcome back to my channel, guys. So today we are going to run BGMI in PC, and it is very easy to run BGMI in PC. No difficult steps are there, but you need to follow the process very carefully. If you don't see the full video and miss any step, there is a 99% chance that you might have issues. So follow the video very precisely. To run BGMI in PC, you need to use emulator. So today we will use MuMu Player emulator. Open your browser and type here MuMu Player Chinese. Scroll down and you will find this mumu.1.63163.com. This is the Chinese version. Just open the website. Now if the website doesn't open, you can use a VPN for that, or Cloudflare Warp will also work. So just click on this Windows icon and it will download the latest version. So make sure to uncheck this. This is just float, and this is for customizing the installation path, and this is the install button. So let's wait for the install to be done. Download this MuMu Essentials zip. I will give the link in the description. First thing you need to do is extract it. Many people don't extract it for some reason and just directly open it by double click, which is absolutely not recommended. You need to extract it first. So open the extracted folder. Here you will find AIO by Roar, and this is the main culprit, because most people who are having issues with running BGMI have done this step previously in the past by watching some other video. So open this AIO by Roar, press 1, then press 4 and enter. Okay, now you have to press 2 to unblock. Now I have already done this, so I won't press 2, but you press 2 to unblock. It will do all its process and then it will say press any key to continue. You just have to press a key on your keyboard and you will come back to this menu again. So then what you need to do is press 3 to go back to tools, and then you need to press 6 here and enter, and it will do the network reset of your PC, and after that it will close, or it will again ask for press any key to continue. You just need to restart your PC and all your issues will be fixed. So now as you can see, Chinese MuMu has started, and the first thing you will notice is that this is in Chinese. So click this blue button and I'll just show you how to do this English first. So for that, first of all, open the settings, scroll down, this second last option, click on it and click this and this first option, this plus icon, then English and this. Okay, then remove the Chinese thing. So after this is done, you will see we will change the language of the MuMu emulator, because as you can see it's still in Chinese. So just close this, come to the MuMu Essentials folder. You'll find a folder named RCCEN. Open that and keep this in the background. Okay, now find the MuMu shortcut, just right click on it and open file location, and you will be in shell. Just scroll up, you will find a folder named RCC. So you just need to rename it to something like RCC Chinese, and then copy and paste and then rename it back to RCC. Now open this RCC folder and copy or move all the files to here and replace them. Then you can close this like come back and close this. Now if you start a MuMu emulator, it will be in English. So now if you go to settings, as you can see, it's in English. Now this was very easy. So can let's do some settings. So first of all, the most important thing, graphics card rendering mode. You should use Vulkan if it's available. Don't use DirectX. Use Vulkan only. Now the problem arises for those people who don't have Vulkan. If you don't have Vulkan, I will give a link to a video which shows how to enable Vulkan if you don't have it. But even after following the video, Vulkan is not available for your PC, then you can only play on DirectX. But playing on DirectX is absolutely not recommended, so you just use other emulator like MSI or LD Player, which will be launched soon. So you please wait for that much time. So Vulkan and performance, I like to give all cores of my CPU, and RAM I give 10 GB because mobile game won't need more than 10 GB RAM. And graphics is better performance. Resolution I keep it as same as my display, and this is 50, and frame rate I keep it the same as my display also, and display frame rate. Then this is important, you need to enable writable system disk. But remember this, if you enable writable system disk, then and you have DirectX selected, then you will have black screen, like black graphics in your game, and you won't be able to play it. So that's why I was saying, if you only have DirectX, then it's better to switch to other emulator like MSI or LD Player. So make it writable system disk, and okay, mobile model, this is also important. So if first of all, see your specs. So your laptops or PC specifications. If you have low-end PC specifications, which so you should just go with this model Samsung, and no, Xiaomi 14 Ultra if you have low-end PC. But if you have high-end PC and want to unlock higher resolution, better graphics and better FPS, then you should do this. Create a custom resolution, type in exactly as I am typing, the same thing you need to type. Don't type anything else here, or else it won't work. So just type this, and GPU model, do it height configuration. It's just some English language mistake, just make it high. Network model, if you have enabled this, then disable it. It is not needed. Disable this also, it will reduce FPS, and no need to enable this, keep it as it is. And ADB debug as the first option, and save it and restart emulator. And if you get any kind of ads like this, just close it. So as you can see, this is started. So now we need to install BGMI in MuMu. So how will we do it? Very simple and easy. If we open this folder, you will see something, a Google icon. Just click on it. You will see this is a Google installer. Just open it, click to install Google Play, and it will install all of your Google Play apps. So it will just download. Again, if you have an issue with downloading, use a VPN. And please don't ask which VPN to use. You can use any VPN of your choice. For me, I primarily use Proton VPN or Cloudflare Warp because those are free and very secure for the user. They don't sell user data. So as you can see, just click on reboot desktop. Now that you can see it has installed this Play Store, you can uninstall this thing afterwards. And now you can open Play Store and sign in to your account. So let me just sign in. So now that Play Store is installed and you have signed in, you can now install BGMI. Just search and install. So now that BGMI is installed, you will feel very tempted to open it, but don't open it, and don't even open it to download resources. Just close Play Store and close this MuMu. Okay. So now we come to the main part of the video, which is Fusion. So this is the software which will enable you to run BGMI on PC. So open it, you will find the Fusion zip, and which is password protected. Now why is this password protected? That's because if it wasn't password protected, your antivirus might have just deleted it outright. Okay, so first of all, before extracting it, open your Windows security or whatever security you have, and go to virus and threat protection, manage setting, and turn off real-time protection and all of these. Leave the tamper one, just the first three, disable them, and then you can extract this and paste the password. So after extracting, even after turning off this real-time protection, it deletes Fusion. Then what you need to do, you will have a new tab here known as protection history. You just need to go to protection history and restore the deleted file. You will find it there, and just you need to restore. You will have two options, allow and restore. Click on restore. So after restoring, you will find the exe back here. Now why is this detected as a virus? Because this is made by me, an independent developer, and it is not signed by me. So what I mean by signing it, so signing it means that I register with Microsoft and pay some amount of money to Microsoft, for which they give me a key and with which I can sign my executables. So Microsoft and other antivirus knows that this is a recognized executable and not some kind of virus, because anyone can make any executable out there, and so they made this system so to recognize stuff, because mostly people who will make malware and virus, they are not going to invest money to make this safe. Okay, so that is the reason antiviruses think this is a virus. Now and now you might be skeptical, bro, then what if it harms a PC? So I'll just show you a quick example. Obviously it can't prove that this is a virus, but I'll just show you. So let's just open virus total, and this is virus total is a website which like takes in any executable you put here, and it will scan using antiviruses, so many antivirus it has, and then it will tell the community like how many antivirus tell it as virus. So as you can see, now 5 antivirus say that this is some kind of virus, and some people think Trojan, bro, Trojan, now my PC is gone, all my bank details are sent to Snail, now he will hack my account. No, it's not like that. It's just because this is made by me, independent developer, without getting it signed. That is the only reason this is getting flagged as this virus. So let's just show you a quick example. So let's just open Visual Studio, I'll show you. So if you don't know what Visual Studio is like code editor and to make applications. So whatever application you see on your PC, most of them are made on Visual Studio, and you can also make applications using Visual Studio very easy. You can find it on the internet from Microsoft only. So let's just create a new project and So my project is C++ console project mostly. I use this only. As you can see, reset project templates. Just click on next and we'll create a project. So as you can see, the project is being created just in front of you. So as you see, this is a fairly simple project, and if you have done coding anytime in your life, the first thing you will be learning is printing hello world in the console. So this is a very simple beginner project which is printing hello world. So if we run this, and as you can see, it just opens up and says hello world. Very simple. It can't be a virus as I just made it in front of you. So let's do release mode, because debug mode has more detections than release mode. So now let's run it, and still same project, only prints hello world. Now let's open the project directory. I'll just right click and open in file explorer. So console application 3, you can see same name, release, and this is the application. Now if I double click it, you will see it just goes away, and that's just due to the Microsoft being Microsoft. So let's just make it not go away, and so let's compile this. Okay, this just tells it to wait instead of finishing the application. So now if we run it, as you can see, this is the same hello world application. And now if we just upload this application to here and confirm upload, you will see antivirus will detect virus in this also. This is a very simple application, so according to our knowledge it should have like 0 detections, but still as you can see it crossed the detection of even the bypass. It's at 5 now, so okay, this time it gave 5. So it says again, it says Trojan. I just made the project in front of you, so how can it be Trojan? Now the same thing, same detections which came as mine, malicious behaves like Trojan, susgen, same thing. So as you can see, I just made this in front of you, uploaded it, and it has the same thing, same detections as the Fusion thing. You can do this on your own also. Visual Studio is up for download in on the web. You can go Visual Studio Microsoft and download it from here. It's free. You can use it, the community version, which is free, and I also use the same version. Just download it, make a simple hello world program, upload it. If you don't believe me, you will see they will get the same detections, and then you will understand why I say it's not a virus, but since I made it myself, it gets detected. Okay, I think that's enough for the explanation. This is the main program with which you will be able to run BGMI on your PC. So first of all, you before like open up your Windows security and Windows Defender or your whatever antivirus you have, and manage settings and turn these off. Okay, now you can run this, and it will say first time setup, and it will copy the exe. Click OK, and then it will start. Okay, so refresh it, and if it doesn't start, that means your antivirus is blocking it. So allow it, however your antivirus works. So for Windows it should show some protection history, and you will go to protection history and allow it. For me it doesn't block, so I don't need to go there. So after it opens, you will see some things. So first of all, you need to do is, after starting this, you need to do web verification, or else this will not work. What is web verify? So if you click on it, it will just open this, and it will open the ads. So just click on support me complete link. Now I will do the ads. You have to wait 15 seconds. So let's minimize this for now, and let's say on the possibility that uh, the web verification is not working, or you get errors. So what you need to do is, first of all, you need to add this in exclusions. So add or remove exclusions, and add an exclusion folder, and here go to this PC users, your user. Then you need to go to app data. Now you might not see the app data folder, so for that you just click here, type backslash app data, just type it, and again backslash, and press enter. Go to local and fusion, this folder, just select it, and it will be added here. Now after this is also, if still it's not working, then open run Windows plus R, type in this, click OK, and go to fusion and delete this WebView 2 profile thing, shift delete, and it will be fixed. One more fixes is installing WebView 2 runtime, but if you have Microsoft Edge installed and running, that means WebView 2 runtime is also installed. So on the chance that you have uninstalled WebView 2 by like using scripts and all, then you can just download it back. Just type WebView 2, okay, it's something else, WebView 2 runtime, just type it and search, and come here and just download this evergreen bootstrapper. Download and install it as administrator. The administrator thing is important, and after that it will work. And if for some reason you are not able to install WebView to runtime, then there is only two possibilities. One is that it is already installed. Second possibility is you might have run some debloater script or something which has permanently blocked WebView 2. So for that you need to find which script you have run before, and then undo the tweaks for blocking WebView 2, or if you can't find, then your only option is to reinstall Windows. So I think this is if you minimize it, the timer won't work. So this is very easy, you just know it, need to do it, like it has 9-hour validity, so once, and then you can play BGMI. So max to max, you just need to do it twice a day if you like play for the whole day. For most people, you just to know need to do it once, and it does help me in my like development and all. Hmm. So now you can close it. As you can see, you will get option for get link. Now if you get any issue on this page, so you need to have Cloudflare warp, this thing, Cloudflare warp, just search it on Google and install it. You need to connect this thing in warp mode and do it. If you get any issues, if you don't get any issues, then it's fine. If you click, you will see web verification done. Now you can use this. Okay, so and also you can keep this fusion shortcut in the desktop, your wish, you can keep it anywhere. So now start a MuMu Player. So now that the emulator is started, you need to start BGMI. Don't turn on BGMI from here manually. Even to download resources, always use this to start BGMI. Okay, so click on start. And you might get something for allow root access here, so you just need to do remember choice forever and click on allow. Okay, don't forget to do that. So now that your BGMI is installed and you are in trading round, you need a key map. So the MuMu does not have preset keys, so you need to create your own. So create a new plan. Just double click and type in K and save this. Now this will be unlocked. Go to manage and rename this to something like default. Okay, and now you need to make your own key map, but I have like made key maps for you, so you don't need to do it yourself. Just go to desktop, MuMu Essentials, and here are the key maps. So this 1080p 720p signifies the resolution of the game, so not the emulator. So 720p is like when you put some other model and not SMX90, and 1080p is when you put SMX90 model and you will get 1080p resolution. Now normal is 16:9 aspect ratio resolution, and iPad is 4:3 aspect ratio. So accordingly choose, but for most of you it would be 1080p normal if you have 16:9 aspect ratio and you put the Samsung model. So after you apply, as you can see, control to unlock the mouse. Okay, and you can use F to pick up. And one more thing, okay, so after applying the key map, come here and make this 45 and just make 50. This you should use, reset this, save it, then bring the cancel button here, save it. Vehicles also customize, reset, save. So need to do this. So customize button, first layout, this second layout, control, advanced controls, and disable this. Okay, and upload this to cloud. And now I apply the sensitivity. Okay, so after this you can edit your key map according to your choice. So this is control to unlock the mouse, so you can do whatever you want to use, caps lock or F1. You can change this, don't change this, change this. Okay, and other keys are standard, so tab to open the back, alt this, C to crouch, Z to prone, space to jump, left button to fire, and UNE to peek. Okay, so and F to pick up, F3 to mark, and this is middle mouse button, so like this.
Enemies ahead. Search for vehicles. Form up on me.
You can also get into this vehicle using F to exit also, and G also works, and shift. Okay, and to change seat you press Z. Okay, and you have X is for hold and unlock the mouse. So if you press X, mouse will be unlocked, and if you leave it, it will be locked. So if you face any kind of stuck issues or like that, you can just press X and it will be fixed. And press 4, you will have grenade, and if you press F, it will be cancelled. Okay, using F. Same for smoke and molly. 4, 5, 6. And this is for medkit. 8 is for first aid. 9 for bandages. 0 for boost. Painkiller and energy drinks. And B to change the firing mode of guns. Okay. And what is remaining? Yes. Okay, I don't have a scope. I'll show you which scope. So scroll up and down for to do this. Okay. Scroll up, maximize. Scroll up. Just zoom out, zoom in. And if you want to like not use 1 or 2 and you scroll up and down for this, you can just do scroll up here, scroll down here, and put 1 here, 2 here, like this you can do, and then save it. So you will be able to use scroll up down to change the gun. Okay, again you can modify it according to your choice, this, and reset this, and after that bring this here. So you can use Q&A to control this. That's why I'm telling you to do this. Just here, break to space, jump also keep it on space, auto keep it here, defuel you can keep it here or here. I think G is better. And to do this, okay, this and this, then upload to cloud. Settings, and make sure to disable these. Okay, this graphics efficiency, and disable this. And if you have a high-end PC, you can also enable anti-aliasing, but it increases frame drops, so I would recommend you don't enable this.